with Dnipro River being very supervised, making Russian boats traveling very vulnerable and at high risk, trying to avoid detection here going during the night. But with Ukraine's night drones being active, Russian crew have no idea with the boat's engine and the darkness that a drone is homing in on their movement over them. With Ukraine's drone operators being experts in taking out all kinds of systems, seen with this moving boat hitting with a grenade perfectly, destroying the boat, causing it to sink with the resources, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.